Okay, everybody, first off, we got Hiccupy Baby in the background, so and very happy smiley baby in the background. You hear him? Yeah, he's really happy today. So I've seen all of these great, funny, ridiculous videos on YouTube on what's in my purse. Well, for you crafty ladies, I'm sure some of you understand, we are going to do a what's in my purse today, and I have a very big, sorry about that, chunky one that I carry around all the time, obviously not small. So we are going to get right in here. There's crafty stuff in this video, but there's no crafting. So if you are not interested, you can leave now. It's okay. I won't blame you. So my first one is this notes for a story that I'm currently working on. Hopefully it'll be one of my first published short stories, and I really literally wrote it on some paperwork from work. I had it in my purse real quick, and I was like, it's on my mind, so I better write it down. So the next thing is this beautiful journal that was just purchased. And after I get done with this video, I have to go down to the post office and stuff this in a beautiful envelope and mail it off to the lovely recipient. And I'm sure she is so excited to receive it. It is so beautiful. If any of you remember or want to see the flip through, I'll try and link it up here, and I'll try and drop it down below. If not, you can go to my junk journal, all my junk journals playlist, and it will be in there. So these are my work keys. I kind of don't want to, I like to keep that private, but these are my keys. And I got some of my house keys on here too. So, of course, we all have keys. And I got my car key. And my sunglasses. Yeah, I know they should be in a case, but they're not. They're $5 from Walmart. Cheap, cheap. And the current project I'm working on now, some of you got a sneak peek in my last video. What? Baby's hiccuping, poor baby. So there will be a flip through on this, hopefully coming out this Friday. It'll be really gorgeous, and it should be done by the end of the day. Of course, what girl doesn't need her beautiful perfume? My lovely niece, when she moved in, she gave this to me. Thank you so much. I really love it. It smells amazing. It's Total Flirt by Pink. And of course some medication stuff. And my wallet that has, you know, my photos, my personal information. You gotta have that. And there's nothing in here really. It's empty or full depending on the day. Usually it has hair ties and change in there. Some work stuff in here. And just nada. Just pretty basic wallet. I generally keep my basic necessities in there, nothing more, nothing less. The faceplate for my truck, because I have to fix the window. It keeps falling down, so I don't want anyone stealing my stereo, so I took off the faceplate and I keep it in my purse. This is the stand for my phone when I'm watching movies. Like, say I'm sitting somewhere for a really long time, I can just pop this up, stick my phone in, and I have a little stand for my phone for watching movies. Yes, I Netflix all the time. I am terrible. Of course, we got a lint roller. What girl doesn't need a lint roller when she has to look professional for that perfect moment? And my official house keys. You know, you got your house key, some other keys, and your bike key, and a pretty lanyard to go with it. I fell in love with this thing when I saw it. So, what girl doesn't need a clay mask in their purse, right? Got some crazy stuff in here. And, of course, some vitamin D. You gotta have that. And the spine for a book that I actually have to cut out today. I've had this in here for like a week and a half now, fully intending on prepping this spine. And I just haven't gotten around to it. And some granola to whenever I get the munchies. And a face mask for whenever I get a second. I know, another face mask. All you ladies are like, dude, when does she get the time? Exactly. So when you get that extra 5 minutes, you just throw it on. Doesn't matter where you're at. If they look at you weird, it's okay. We all love you still. And of course, we have some notebook in here for some interesting stuff. and a beautiful poem. Hopefully I'll publish it. And some other information. And we got some other information here. Notes on stuff that I'm supposed to do, just haven't got around to. Oh, look, another face mask. I swear, it's packed full of them. Powdered aspirin. Trust me, you never know when you're going to need this. And it is amazing. It is like the crack of Tylenol / aspirin, sprash, whatever. It works amazingly. So we have another regular daily, or not daily prescription, just one of those prescriptions that when you need it, it has to be there. Some chapstick, that should probably be in the side pocket, but it's not. Tickets for going to the theater. Hey, I forgot about that. It's U of A Opera Theater. That was a while back. I actually have to stick that in my memory book. Some lotion. You always gotta have some pretty lotion, and if everybody knows already, I am infatuated with the Eiffel Tower, so of course my lotion has the Eiffel Tower on it. Deodorant, because every once in a while you need an extra swipe. And the puppy is chewing on the basket. Hey, puppy, stop it. Little puppy. Some thread. Always need some thread when you're working on journals. A phone charger, because my phone is always dying. My tablet charger, for whenever I have my tablet with me. Oh, and we got some vitamin E here for skin health. And these were actually for my headphones, but I pulled them out to start putting bobby pins and hairpins in so I can organize my purse a little bit more. If you couldn't tell, they're just kind of sitting all over the bottom. I obviously haven't gotten around to it. I would do it now, but after this video, I got to throw it all back in my purse and go to work. Allergy relief, because you never know when you need this in an emergency. Whether it's you or someone else, if you have an allergic reaction, you can always use it. And it can save someone's life. Excedrin for when you have migraines. A spoon, because you never know when you need a spoon. And this is actually a card that we're supposed to have Shawnee give back so she can have some money put back onto it. Because I guess someone gave it to her as a gift, and when we went down to use it, and it didn't get loaded properly. So we're actually going to fix that this weekend. And you always need extra razors for your razor knife when you're working on your journals. Because trust me, you're not going to cut through that with scissors. So yes, I always pack a razor knife, not only for journals, but also for protection. And I also have a fortune in here. Fortune will smile upon you. So I always try and keep a good fortune in my bag. Just, you know, just a little kudos to help every now and then. You never know. And of course I got a breath mint from Sonic. You never know when your breath's gonna stink. I know I should probably have some gum, huh? But I don't. Extra pens. And some change at the bottom. And all these baby things for Shawnee. We haven't had a chance to spend them because it isn't payday yet. So, and you have to be able to pay for the shipping in order to get these. And some change and a really cool bottle cap from when I and my boyfriend went down to a little cart, one of those corner side carts, and got a Sonoran dog. Trust me, if you're ever in Tucson, get a Sonoran dog. They're amazing. I can't eat spicy food, so I specifically tell them not to make it spicy, and even that way, it's just, they're amazing. And of course, hair ties. I got a little itty bitty Gur. I've been meaning to put him in one of my journals. For those of you who know who Gur is, it's from Invader Zim. And this is from, I think that was from the theater. And we went on a kind of a date and we had to get a garage thing. Lamb Chop. This is the puppy's new chew toy. She loves it so much. And of course, a coupon for Church's Chicken. Some Bath and Body Works coupons. A receipt for Walmart. Some more pens. Hair ties, a seashell from going out to the beach in, in Phoenix. We went to the river and the lake and they had these little seashells, so it's been in my purse ever since. And that's it in the bottom. We got the side pockets filled with like a huge amount of pens. And of course, what purse doesn't have change and hair ties if you're a girl? So we got all that. And then in here we have a big Gur. I love Gur so much. He's my favorite. And then we got some earrings for that impromptu moment when you just need some fancy earrings. And, of course, a couple dollars cash so I can mail out that journal. I should probably put the change in there, but that's okay. And there's one more pocket on the side. This is my secret pocket. And for all of us ladies, I got some breath mints in here in the shape of a boot. Always got to have a good breath mint. Some dental floss toothpicks. A toothbrush, and some toothpaste. That is a go-to necessity for my purse because sometimes I go places and I stay the night and I always forget my toothbrush. So I keep that in there and I know I'm covered. That's also why I keep some deodorant in there. You know, sometimes I stay over at a friend's house or something and I have it ready available. So that is it. That is all is in my purse. I know you guys are like, that's all? That was a crap ton. So yes, I do have a lot of things in my purse and it changes on a day-to-day basis. But a lot of this primary stuff stays the same that I use on a daily basis. Like my vitamin D. I like to take my face mask everywhere because I never know when I'm going to get a moment to do my face. Baby, baby, baby. Are you having fun? You want to be in the video? Alrighty, everybody. Well, I got to pack this up and get ready to go to work. The baby has a few cents to say, so we will talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned Friday for the flip through of this beauty. Alright, thank you. Bye!